Hi, I'm Jo from Creative Empowerment. Thank you for joining me today. I'm really excited. I want to share with you something that has been a life changer for me. It's called belly breathing. It's a type of breathing that I learnt to do learning Qigong. I'm a teacher of open sky Qigong, a beautiful Qigong lineage. So today I want to show you that practice and share it with you and see if it's beneficial for you as well. So what we're going to do is focus on our breathing, and it's really focusing on not only slowing our breathing down, that's a part of it, but it's also focusing on where our breath is coming into our body. So we're going to breathe in through our nostrils. We're going to bring the breath all the way down to the lower belly. We're going to pause the breath there, and then we're going to exhale slowly all the way back out again and through the nostrils. So I'll get you to get yourself comfortable. If you're sitting down, you can lie down if you like. And if you're lying down, you might be able to feel your belly moving. So it can be a really good way of making this feel a bit more normal, get used to it a bit better. So if you're lying down, if you're a female, I'll get you to place your right hand on your lower belly. And if you're a male, you're going to put your left hand and then you're going to put the other hand on top. Placing your hands on your lower belly, I want you to take your awareness all the way into your body. What does that feel like? You can imagine you have tree roots growing deeply down into the earth. So that's focusing on bringing your awareness out of your head and all the way back into your body and even below your body. The roots into the earth help us connect with Mother Earth. So it's really nice yin energy flowing up from the earth. Feeling that energy flowing up from the earth, coming all the way into the lower belly, relaxing the body, closing your eyes, relaxing your breath. And I'm going to close my eyes too. So closing your eyes. Now I really want you to focus on those tree roots because I'm feeling really ungrounded. And so it might mean that you are too. So focus on the bottom of your feet or the balls of your feet. Sense or imagine tree roots growing deeply down. And now as you're doing that, I want you to focus on breathing all the way through the nostrils, coming all the way down to the lower belly. And I want you to feel that belly rising or coming forward, pausing the breath, slowly exhaling all the way back out again and back out through the nostrils. And just keep doing that. So I want you to focus on your feet, those roots, and I want you to feel the breath coming all the way in. And then pausing and then all the way out again, nice and slowly, out through the nostrils. Good. Breathing in again. And all the way out, nice and slowly. Good. This is a practice all on its own, and it brings you into what's called Qigong awareness, when you're aware, when you're fully present, allowing yourself to simply be. Relaxing your body, good. Breathing deeply. Now I can feel my shoulders are still rising, and that's okay. It's simply noticing. And then see if I can take my awareness further into my belly. Breathing in. Pausing the breath. And then all the way out again. I'm going to keep doing that just for a little while so you get the hang of it. So breathing in all the way into the lower belly. Feeling those roots, really connecting to the earth. Imagine you're a big, big tree and you're sending all those roots down into the earth. And by sending those energies into the earth, you're establishing your own connection to Mother Earth, to that beautiful, gentle yin energy that flows from the earth. Good. Now gently breathing out. Just see if you can continue to do that. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Now it doesn't matter if thoughts are coming in your head. Doesn't matter if things are happening around you or you can hear noises in the background of this video. None of those things matter. Simply focus on your breathing. Breathing all the way out again. Relax your legs, relax your feet. Relax your entire body. Breathing in and breathing out. Notice how you're feeling. This practice can be done from anywhere from 1 minute to 30 minutes, simply noticing. Just stay where you are, keep breathing. And if you're noticing there's an area of tension in a particular place, you can take your awareness to that place. Continue the belly breathing. And just allow it to soften. Don't force it to soften. Don't expect it to soften. Just allow it to soften. And if it wants to stay tense, it's just showing you simply that there's something going on there, maybe some stuck energy, maybe it just needs your attention. Just allow it to be there without fighting or forcing. Now again, I'm feeling a little bit sort of lightheaded or up in my head, so I want you to focus on your roots going all the way down and your breath, breathing all the way in. Good. And breathing all the way out again. Remembering to pause, even pause again before you breathe in, breathing in. And then pausing when you've got a fully extended belly. And then exhaling slowly, letting everything go. Let it all go into the earth. Breathing in. Relaxing and breathing out. Let it all go. Again, feel it all going into the earth, down the back of the body, through the heels and into the earth. Breathing in again, breathing in. And exhaling slowly. And you continue that breathing for as long as you want. You can set a timer. I'm going to gently open my eyes now. But you can do that for as long as you like. You can do it for a few minutes or you can do it for 10 minutes. You know, start small and build up. That's my suggestion to you. I really hope this has helped you. This is not something that helps you overnight. You may feel the benefits while you're doing it, but you need to practice. As with all sorts of meditation practices, Qigong practices, you need to practice. Your body needs to get into the rhythm, the routine of it, and that's what's going to give you those really beneficial feeling safe and feeling relaxed in your body. Thanks for joining me today. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I have a new video up. Please comment how the belly breathing feels in your body. I love to hear what people have to say, and everyone's experiences are different. If it feels challenging, if it feels hard, that's okay, because it does in the beginning, particularly if you suffer from anxiety or depression or any sort of mental health issues. You need to be gentle with yourself. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you again soon. Bye.